Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, but you guys could call me Tina or Baby Tina. Yeah, so I literally just got out of church, and I look a little crazy because I was crying. Every time they give the body of Christ the little cracker, and then I put it in my mouth, walk back to my seat, and then I pray, and then I just start crying when I pray in church. So but yeah, so I'm gonna start off with my outfit of the day. I guess we'll start jewelry. Pandora. I got this from Willie's. I used to be an employee before they shut down. I was actually the last one hired. Ooh. This one is from Amazon. My mom got it for me for my birthday. Jacket, North Face, but I bought it off of a crackhead for $25. That's New York for you. This. My mom got me this knitted sweater from Shein. The tripod is like high, so I had to move the tripod. But I'm wearing this Uniqlo shirt that says "Save Humans, Save Cats." And in the back it says "Peace for All." This necklace I also got for my 25th birthday. It was supposed to be my replacement for my Baptist necklace because it was the same exact, except for it was a pearl in the middle instead of my birthstone. And for bottoms, I'm wearing this basic it's like yoga pants workout material from QQQ. I got it from Amazon. And my Uggs, they busted them. They busted my Uggs, as you can see. That was a weird angle, but okay. Yeah, so that was my outfit. Don't judge me because I want it to be comfortable, and like they say, come as you are. So I wanted to film earlier my outfit of the day, like me getting ready and doing my makeup and stuff, but I was running late. So now you just have me here talking about stuff, I guess. I don't know. Like, I told you in my previous video that I'm starting to like go to church and do Bible study and stuff like that, and it's been 10 years since I went to church. Like 10 years fly by so fast, actually. And I don't know, like I am a good person, and I know I'm a good person. I'm nice to everybody, but if you're disrespectful, I'm gonna be disrespectful back, and that's when the demon is definitely gonna come out of me. But like, you could have everything, but you won't be complete if you don't have a relationship with God. So it's like, I'm happy because I had money and I had this and I had that and whatever, but I was never fulfilled because I wasn't talking to God. And I just want to say that the devil really did play a big part in my past life and stuff like that. And I want to say a crazy story of me. Literally, not last Saturday, the Saturday before that, because I go to church on Saturdays. I don't like big crowds, and Sundays always packed at church, so I'll go on Saturdays. But I was going to the elevator, but the elevator was taking too long, so I was like, whatever, I'm gonna go down the stairs. I normally always go down the stairs fast, but I wasn't even going down the stairs that fast, to be honest. And when it came to like the second to last step, I fell. Yes. And it hurt. It kind of like twisted my ankle a bit. And I was crying. I was sitting there. I was like, I can't go. I can't go. Because like I'm in pain. I literally, with all the pain that I had, I took myself upstairs. I cried for a little bit. And I was just like, this is definitely not stopping me from going to church. I haven't been to church in 10 years. I definitely need to go today. And that was definitely a sign of the devil stopping me from going to church. I mean, like, I feel like I'm fighting the devil every day because, like, obviously I'm trying to dedicate myself to do the right things and to pray and stuff like that. But obviously, like, I have my days where I do, like, forget to pray before I go to sleep. And, like, I'm just thinking about everything that's, like, going on in the world and in my life. It's, like, it's hard to balance. But, like, I pray and I tell God, if I'm not praying out loud, at least hear my heart. And yeah, I'm getting emotional right now. Times have been really hard for me, and I'm tired of suffering. I really am. I know that God gives the toughest battles to the strongest soldiers. But I want to be a veteran. I'm tired of fighting. Hello, good afternoon. Oh. I'm gonna do a mukbang. I got my Coca-Cola. I've been craving soda since I'm on my period and I'm in pain. I got Chinese food. I don't know if I said that already, but I got an egg roll and I got chicken and broccoli. I have been craving this and I wanted to order it. Oh my god. It's leaking in the bottom. But sometimes with certain restaurants it's a hit or miss for sure. And literally the last time I got it, probably like 3 weeks ago, it was so nasty that like I was sad that I wasted $20. But on this I spent like 12 and change. And I'm not gonna lie, I did take a bite just to make sure if it's good, because if it was nasty, I would have just been in bed crying, okay? But yes, it's actually really good today, and it's hot. I just got it. I give this price to my dog. This is what I needed. I don't know. I want to talk about certain things, but I don't feel ready to. And I don't know. You can see the sadness in my face. Let's try the egg roll. First of all, that's just mad hard at the top. And I have a sensitive mouth, so that kind of hurt. I ain't got nothing. I just got one bite. It's a little bland. I'm not really a sauce person, to be honest. Like, sorry, I'm chewing with my mouth full. I'm not really like a sauce, like a condiment type of girl. I normally just like to eat my shit dry, to be honest. And if I have to use sauce, that means it's not that good. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, you don't need to add extra oomph to make something good if it's good, you know? So I do like this hot sauce a lot. God damn, I'm struggling. Okay. Oh my god. That's how bad I want to watch South Park. It's playing by itself. Okay. Does that look like a lot? Excuse me. I be speaking Burpanese, okay? Get a dog, they say. All they do is want to freaking beg for your food, bro. But yeah. How was everyone's day today? So depressing that I literally don't even have anybody to talk to. So I made a YouTube channel to talk to myself in the camera, and hopefully people will end up just having conversations with me. I'm tired of this. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Excuse me. And what's so funny too is like when I was like, I think like 16 maybe, because I think that was around the time I went on my first date. I was that girl that would not eat in front of a guy. And it's not because I didn't want to. It was because I was so like nervous. It would literally make me nauseous, and I did not want to eat. But now I will eat my food, your food. Kidding. But yeah, I don't mind eating. But I don't like when people look at me eat. Like, I mean, obviously I'm recording myself, but say like we're together and eating together. And don't be looking at me eat. Because then if the food fall out my mouth, I'm going to be embarrassed. And I'm not going to want to eat again, okay? But, yeah. You want a bite? Okay. Now I'm about to kill my food. And look, the nail polish came off. But if you're in New York and if you're in Queens and you're like, I want some Chinese food, Lucky Star. And then there's another good one. It's called Great Wall, but it's on the other side of Astoria Boulevard, if you know where that is, okay? But yeah, and then this is my total. Like I said, 12 and change. It was $12.25. But yeah, I hope everybody has a good day and they enjoyed my video. I'm sorry. I will try my hardest to have something better to talk about, because I don't want it to seem like I'm always sad and depressed and whatever. So I'm gonna meditate, take like, you know, a night to myself to like, you know, get back to myself, probably do something to my hair and whatever. I just need like a little makeover to feel better. But yeah, I'll be okay, and so will you. So happy Monday. Bye.